Let's go on this adventure. Oh, this is our walk after dinner. It's 83 Fahrenheit. I think that's 28.3 Celsius. I think I'll put on the video. Hold on. Let's look at the. I like to look at the roses, babies. Walk real slow right here. Real slow. Walk real slow. Oh, look at that pink one there. And look at those big heads there. I like these there too, right there. Okay. I know you want to see if there's something back here. Oh, lettuce popping up. We didn't get much rain. We're still supposed to have a storm coming in tonight, they say. A squirrel. That bird was chasing that squirrel. Oh, yeah. That bird dived bombing that squirrel. I don't think the camera can see that far. That's kind of funny. I never saw a bird dive bomb a squirrel. Maybe it was trying to get its eggs. He's on that tree now. Oh. I'm going to have to see if I can show that in slow motion or something. Get as close as I can. Zoom in. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. That's your last walk. Y'all better do something. Yeah, that's why I call these adventure, because with these birds and animals, good boy, Barkley, good boy. Out here, you never know what's going to see. Once in a while, there's always something interesting. Okay.